Yeah? Plan ahead. Think about what's going to happen well in advance. Remember that dartboard drawing that I've sent you the picture of?
Yes.
Yes? You arrive there, then try and do everything. If you get planning much further, no worries, it'll be much better. Nutter. Is that van? Just didn't fancy that one whatsoever. Interesting.
Might be better than the beginning.
I agree. What should we do with the van who's just barging through? Just slow down, we're going to give way. Slow down, we're going to give way. Just stop. Off we go. Nice job. So, don't forget, in that situation we do have priority, but priority is given, not taken. When the van barges through, just hold back. What is comical for me, how he thanks us. Don't think we had any choice, did we? Alright, good job.
And then the lad was just like, yeah, well, I've had a few lessons.
I just don't get how people can just be that blasé about just jumping red lights like they do. Don't you think?
I never even seen him, to be fair.
It baffles me.
I'm sure the girl said she was 20, she was a few years ago. Because I said to her last night, I said, they've just done it as well, haven't you? Because I said to her, I said, you're basically starting again.
It gets you, again, used to and practicing watching me. You know it's clear. What should I do here?
Willis?
Watch me. That's good, isn't it? Straight from the right lane next to us to turn left.
No, he's just done that.
That's what he's just done, yeah. They're amazing, aren't they? That's that roof box effect as well, Carly, you know. Anyway, in the middle as well, towards Western Approach is that green light, because I can still keep on talking until that light does that.
Yeah.
Now shut up. And that for a red light as well. People just don't give a shit.
I was drawn to the Navy by my sense of adventure. I'm a writer, so it's the crew's job to look after the ship. It's my job to look after the crew. It's pretty amazing. Being in charge of pay and allowances is really important. And I love it because they're incredible people. And helping them with personal matters, you really see the positive effect of what you do. There's nothing more rewarding than that. From Ariana Grande's exclusive gig with she'll be on stage at Coco in
He's catching us. Just stay put then, let the mini pass. Stay in this lane. Well done, perfect decision. Are you all out today or what? funny.
Are you gonna stop easier than me there, Ross?
I know.
Yeah.
It's only because they can't be asked. That's what it's all about for them.
Alright, it just feels wrong to like boot it ahead.
It's not wrong. Use the car for what it's required and what's needed, and it needed a little bit more.
Yes.
Why did it need a little bit more specifically then?
She needs to be able to speak before you
It's
get
that focus just gone straight through that.
Literally. That's bad.
Madness. And what car was the light jumper before?
I got him very far, didn't I?
Honestly, it doesn't, Jess.
I wouldn't be skipping lights anyway.
No, I
but
know you wouldn't. You're good as gold. It's totally different with you, but honestly,
I literally got you over.
that shows you how pointless it is. You'll just be stuck at the next set. Off its head.
You can't even go anywhere with that.
What are we talking about then? What could be working
Talk
on
about
now?
which mirrors check.
Good.
We're about to turn left here, Ash.
Excellent.
To turn left,
Yeah,
I'm going to check the centre mirror
yeah,
for the true view. See
Yeah.
what's behind.
yeah. The doziness of this. How can you
Yeah.
not see that police car there?
Yeah, see it here. Probably music blasting.
How can you not see
Yeah.
it? Oh, funny. Anyway,
So we're going to check the centre.
discussing these things. If you do the second turn, I'm going to turn left here. Which mirrors do you think I should be checking?
Yeah.
You could be asking that. You could also, people just on a red light mission today.
Then go down there.
Honestly, I think it's just people just don't go back into this estate, just so it can come out. So we've got another crossroad to do. If we go down to the end, look at this, dude.
Another one for you there.
Gee whiz. Come on, Carolyn. You've got to wake up a little bit more this morning. So just get scanning a little more now. Good. How many people are going to go through a red?
I just went by the way. They change really quickly. They shouldn't have.
The cleverest thing to go through a red light with there's a police car right next to you. Did you see him? There's a police car coming the other way, and the fellow with the Czechoslovakian number plate just barrels straight through a red light. They just turn round and going for them.
Are they
I
going?
don't even know whether it was the same cop car, to be fair.
Funny what it was.
Honestly,
It's actually
that
working.
for a red light from the Audi.
Yeah.
They just don't care, do they? They really don't care in the slightest. What's that? Hands up if you're an idiot.
Yeah.
I think it is. Yes. Understand?
Yeah.
Look at the van. That one's a bit of a pusher, that one anyway, isn't it? Man, is he just overtaken there? That's how you deal with people just barging up and pushing in, innit? Just overtake them. Clear the yellow box yet? Why is that van waiting? Because it's all chopping. It's that busy time of day. The Audi did a U-turn and then went down the wrong way. What's that?
The position.
We didn't really say much about position.
The position for turn left. No. Did we say mention a metre away from the curb or a door's width away from the curb? Nice.
Red lights are optional nowadays, aren't they? Funny. 2 red lights. Yay! That was lovely. It was beautiful. It was like synchronized swimming. So if you can't lane change, if you can't move, deal with it with speed. Yeah. Well done. It's that van just going straight through there. People just don't care, do they? They're just blasé over, just jumping around. Motorcyclists overtaking us, or where could cyclists be? You can ask all of those. It's alright. Just ignore the red light again and just barrel through it, bash his pupils. Yeah? Lights turn left, please, Jeff. That's alright, isn't it? BMWs. Bloody BMW drivers. You're all the same, Jeff. Alright, cool. Call the red light, Mr. Taxi.
Lizards, but not this one. Is it harder to stall or?
I don't know, to be fair. I think it might be.
That was red light.
Just a bit of a red light. We're through that, that's fine. What lane will we go into around the corner? Where do you want to be with this lorry, do you think? Have you seen the crossing? Have you seen the crossing? Well done. The Argos lorry didn't want to bother with it. Make sense?
Yeah.
Alright.